Happy birthday, my love. Ready for the announcement?
You look so nervous, Isabella. Don't worry, C3 will take care of everything.
Mini dramas and short-form series are trending all over the world right now. Just look at this TikTok page. They upload short episodes of mini dramas every single day, and they've built a massive audience. And it's not just this one. Look at this page, and this one too. They're all following the same trend. Now take a look at this video. I created this entire drama using the new and powerful Seedance 2.5 inside Buzzy AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact process of how you can turn your own ideas into complete mini dramas using Buzzy AI. If you've ever tried making AI videos, you know the pain. First, AI video feels like a slot machine. You type a prompt, hit generate, and just hope. You can't control the shot, the lighting, or say, no, I want the camera lower. Second, consistency is a nightmare. Brown hair in shot 1, blonde in shot 2, and in shot 3, he's a completely different human. And third, you need like 5 different tools: script, character art, storyboards, video generation, then you glue it all together and cry a little. That's exactly the problem Buzzy Canvas solves. It's basically an entire movie studio on one canvas. Script, characters, scenes, storyboard, and video generation, all connected in one place. So instead of telling you about it, let me just build a film in front of you. First things first, head over to Buzzy. Now, the link will be in the description. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. On the homepage, you'll find lots of pre-built videos across different categories. You can browse through them for inspiration. Okay, let's start creating our drama. Come to the prompt box. Here you will find 2 options: create a video and AI edit. The AI edit option is to edit an existing video with a text prompt. However, today, I will create a film from scratch, so I will go with create a video. Now here you can see the agent mode is activated. You will find the video and image generator also. However, I will go with the agent mode. Now we have to select the skill. You will find a bunch of options for creative storytelling, marketing video, and brand assets. As I am making a film, I am selecting the AI film option. Now we have to enter the idea or a short brief about my film. I am entering an idea about my film. This is all about a rebirth and revenge drama. Enter as much information as possible. Once done, hit the create button. Now, the agent will redirect you to the Buzzy canvas. This is where all the magic happens. You can see that the agent is working in the left sidebar. It is analyzing the idea and creating the plan. We have to set some settings now. First, the aspect ratio, then the direction or visual style, and in the end, the video duration. You can select from here and then hit the confirm button or enter the answer in the text box and hit the send button. Once it's done, the agent will create a text generation node in the canvas and start writing the storyline and the script. And here it is, the script is ready. After reviewing the script, I can say that it's really good. The agent used the Gemini 3.5 model to write the script. However, it will create a 75-second video. Now let's say I want to create a video longer than 3 minutes, so I am typing, make it longer than 3 minutes. Once I hit the send button, the agent will add another text node to the canvas and start writing the extended script. And here it is, the script is ready. And now it's created more scenes and characters with an extended timeline. Now it's 3 minutes long, and the script is also very detailed. I like it, and am ready to move ahead to the next step. So I'm coming to the agent text box and typing, generate all the characters. And here it is. You can see that the agent added a group of image generation nodes inside the canvas. It's creating all the character and background images. It will help us keep the video consistent. And here it is. All the images are ready. You can see the result. It creates the characters, the props, and the background for all the scenes. Now, if you want to customize them, you can do it. Every element is customizable. For example, all the character and scene images are in 1:1 aspect ratio, and they are not looking very good. So, I will regenerate all of them in 16:9 aspect ratio. And to regenerate the images, I will use Nano Banana 2 image generator. You can use any image generator model. So, I will set the model, aspect ratio, and other settings, and hit the generate button. I will follow the same process for all the characters in the scene. And here it is, all the scenes are ready. Now, they are looking amazing. I like it. However, in the scenes, I think there is some problem. If we use one still images as the scene, it may cause inconsistency. Don't worry, we can fix them. Once you click on any scene or image, you will find several editing options at the top of the image. First, we have the multi-angle option. With this feature, we can create image from multiple angles. Now, you can set the preset or customize the angle manually. Once done, hit the Generate button, and here it is, the image is ready. And you can see that the image angle has been changed perfectly. This is really amazing. You can also relight the image. To relight the image or add another light source, select the lighting tool from here. Now, you have to add the light source. You can change the light angle, light color, and primary light. Once you are done, hit the Generate button, and here it is. The newly generated image is ready, and you can see the result. So, now, you can change the light in any image. There is another interesting feature is available here. It's called 9 Grid. With this, you can create 9 grids, a multi-angle image, a light setup, and others. Just select the option, and then generate the image. I will create multi-angle grid image for all the scene. And here it is. Our 9 grid, multi-camera image is ready. Okay, we are ready. Now the next step, we will create the storyboard. So I will click on the Create Storyboard option from here. Now the agent will create the storyboard for the video, and to do that, it will analyze the assets first. You have to confirm the assets. If you want to add new assets, you can do it. Once confirmed, the agent will start creating the storyboard. And here it is, the storyboard is ready. Now, you can preview the storyboard. If you find anything wrong, you can edit it or regenerate the storyboard. Okay, our storyboard is ready. Now it's time to generate the video clips. So I will select Generate Video. Now the agent will start creating all the video clips. And here it is, all the video clips are ready. Now you can preview all the video clips, and if you think there is any issue, you can fix it or edit the video. For example, I want to regenerate this video clip. So I am just typing, create the video clip with Seedance 2.5 model. Yes, the new Seedance 2.5 is now available on Buzzy. Okay, all of our video clips are ready. Now we can save them and stitch them together to create the final film like this.
My 20th birthday. I'm back. This time, I write the ending.
Happy birthday, my love. Ready for the announcement?
You look so nervous, Isabella. Don't worry, C3 will take care of everything. Take care of everything?
So, just now we created this entire film using Buzzy AI Canvas. Okay, now if you want to create your second episode or season, you have to keep the character, world, and style consistent. Don't worry, you can copy the whole canvas and customize it to create a new episode. Just click on the share button from here. Now you can share with link or post on Buzzy. Once you share the project, you will find the link. Open the link, and you will see the full workflow. Now to use the workflow again, click on Clone Project from here. And here it is, the whole workflow is inside a new canvas. Now you can customize every element. The script, add location, change the storyboard, and create new video. It's simple. Not only your own workflow, you can also copy featured workflow from Buzzy. The process is the same. Open a project, click on View Workflow, clone the project, and you are in. So, now we can create any kind of AI film or drama using Buzzy Canvas and Seedance 2.5 model. But not only a film, you can also create branding ads, animations, music video, explainer video, literally any kind of video. So if you have an idea, just turn it into a film using Buzzy AI. I will put the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, a like really helps this reach more people. And subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Okay, that's it from me. Go make something. I'll see you in the next one.